अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। इन क्वेश्चंस के अलावा जो कि मैं वीडियोस बना के लगा रहा हूँ, अगर आपको कोई और भी किसी और एक्सरसाइज से कोई और चैप्टर से कोई क्वेश्चन आपने समझना है, पूछना है, तो आप मुझसे रब्ता कर सकते हैं और मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि प्रायोरिटी पे आपके जो बताए हुए क्वेश्चंस हैं वो उसकी वीडियो बना के मैं अपलोड करूँ। Simplify each of the formulas and start the question 6 part A, in which 5A over 9B 5A over 9B multiply by a c square over 2b multiply by c3 over 8b4. So first we simplify the digits, in which in the numerator only 5 and in the denominator 9, 2 and 8. These numerators and denominator don't cancel each other. So we multiply numerator with the numerators and denominator with the denominators. 5 multiply by 1 multiply by 1, answer is 5. A, no other A, it is A only. C2 and C3, when the base is same, power z, 2 plus 3. And in the denominator, 9 8s are 72, 72 2s are 144. And in the denominator, B multiply by B multiply by B4. And we know that when the base is same, power z, b is power 1 plus 1 plus 4. The answer is 5A C5 over 144 b is power 6. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 4 is 6. And it is the answer of E part of the question. The next E part, which is 6D over 9F3 multiplied by 3F2 over 16D5 multiplied by 8F square 8F square over 27D. Now we simplify the numerator and the denominator. D cancel with D. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, and 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. And the remaining values are, this is F2, cancel with F2, we get F, and no other value, cancel numerator and the denominator. And the answer is multiply numerator with the numerators and denominator with the denominators. It is 1 multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 1 means 1, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, and F square over, in the denominator only 27 is in digit, and the remaining is F into D5. F into D5. Further we simplify, F cancel with F, and simplified form is F over 27 D5 is the answer of B part of question 6, exercise 1. Next, the C part, in which 2 by 3 over x3 divided by 4y over 5x, 4y over 5x multiplied by 64x over 10 by 4, 2y3 over x3, it is divide, multiply by 5 over x over 4y multiplied by 64x over 10y power 4. Now all the values are multiplied, and we simplify the numerators and the denominators, in which 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 2 carry 24, 4 6 are 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2. And next we simplify the variables of the question, only 16 in the numerator, over, and denominator is no value, and in the numerator it is y3 x and x, y3 x square over x3 into y into y. Now simplify all these values. X power 2 cancel with x power 2, we have only x. Y power 3 cancel with y power 3, we have only y. The answer is 16 over x, it is y1 and y square. 3s cube over 4 e square r divided by 3 q's power 3 over 12 e3 s square multiply by 14 ps over 7 qr. First we solve the by Proteus rule, means the values which are divided each other, simplify them. So 3s cube over 4 e square r multiply by 12 e3 s square over 3 q3 multiply by 14 ps over 7 q1. Now simplify these values, and first we simplify the digits. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. The meaning is e square cancel with p square, and remaining values q cancel with q, we get q square. So the remaining values will multiply each other here. First we multiply the digits. 3 twos are 6, and the variables are s square into s. Now s4, and the remaining is p into p square over, and in the denominator it is r into r square, q into q square is the answer of B part of the question 6, in which the question is 3w minus 7 over 5w3 divided by 21 minus 9w over 27. First we factorize the values and then solve it. The values are, here is 3w minus 7 over 5w3 divided by, take common minus 3. The remaining value is 3w minus 7. We interchange the values by getting minus 3, and the denominator is 27w. Now apply the Proteus rule, divided, we get 3w minus 7 over 5w3 multiply by 27w over minus 3, 3w minus 7. Now simplify the values. 3w minus 7 cancel with 3w minus 7, 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27, and here is w cancel with the w, remaining is w2, and no other digits are cancelled with each other. So multiply the values, we get 9 over minus 5, here is minus 1, multiply by 5 minus 5 w square is the answer. 6 x square y over 16y minus 8x multiply by 12x minus 24y over 4x y square. First we simplify the values, which is 6 x square y over, take minus 8 common, x minus 2y multiply by, take common 12, and the remaining is x minus 2y over 4x y square. Now we simplify the values. X minus 2y, cancel with x minus 2y. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and it is 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. And y cancel with y, and x cancel with x. And multiply the remaining values. We have 3 multiplied by 3, 9, x over minus 4, and the remaining is y. And it is the answer of F part of question 6. G part of the question is, part is h square minus h minus 6 over h square minus 9 multiplied by h square over h square plus 2h. So first we factorize the value and then solve it. Factorize these values, we get h square minus 3h plus 2h minus 6 over, here is h square minus 3 square, multiply by h square over, take h common, h plus 2, and further take common h, the remaining is h minus 3 plus 2, h minus 3 over, it is a square minus b square, and answer is a plus b into a minus b, h plus 3 into h minus 3, multiply by h square over h into h plus 2. Further solve it, h minus 3 into h plus 2 over h plus 3 into h minus 3, multiply by h square over h into h plus 2. Now simplify all the values. H plus 2 cancel with h plus 2, h minus 3 cancel with h minus 3, and this cancel h with h. The remaining values we multiply. Here is h over, and the denominator is h plus 3. And it is the answer of G part of the question. Next, H part, in which c square minus d square over c square minus 2cd plus d square, c square minus 2cd plus d square divided by 1 over cd plus d square. So first we factorize the question. In the numerator it is e square minus b square. The answer is e plus b into a minus b, c plus d into c minus d, and the denominator is the square of c minus d whole square, divided by 1 over a common d, remaining is c plus d. And next, it is the this value divided by this, so convert it into multiplication. We get c plus d, c minus d over c minus d into c minus d, multiply by d over c plus d over. Now we simplify the values. C minus d cancel with c minus d, and remaining values we multiply. C plus d multiply by c plus d. The answer is c plus d whole square, and also multiply by d next. And the denominator is c minus d. And it is the answer of H part of question 6. And the next is ith part of the question, in which m square minus 4 over m square minus 3m plus 2 divided by m over m minus 1. So first we factorize the values, which is m square 4 is 2 square over, factorize these values, it it is m square minus 2m minus m plus 2 divided by m over m minus 1. Simplify the values. It is a square minus b square. Answer is a plus b into a minus 1 over take common m. Remaining is m minus 2 minus 1 and m minus 2 divided by m over m minus 1. Further, we solve it. M plus 2 into m minus 2 over it is m minus 2 into m minus 1 divided by m over m minus 1. These two values are dividing and we convert it into multiplication. The answer is m plus 2 m minus 2 over m minus 2 m minus 1 multiply by m minus 1 over m. Now simplify these values. M minus 1 cancel with m minus 1. M minus 2 cancel with m minus 2 and m minus 1 cancel with m minus 1. The answer is m plus 2 over j part z square over z square minus 4 z square over z square minus 4 divided by 3z minus z square over z square minus 5z plus 6 z square minus 5z plus 6. So we first factorize the values. Z square over z square minus 4 is 2 square divided by take common z from the values. The remaining value is 3 minus z. And in the denominator, factorize z square minus 3z minus 2z plus 6. Factorize the values. It is z square. It is a square minus b square. Answer is a plus b into a minus b divided by, and take common from the numerator, we get minus z over z minus 3. And in the denominator, take common z, z minus 3 minus 2, z minus, and the next z square over z plus 2, z minus 2 divided by minus z, z minus 3 over z minus 3, z minus 2. Now factorize is complete and we converted division into multiplication. The answer is z square over z plus 2, z minus 2 multiply by z minus 3, z minus 2 over minus z, z minus 3. Now we simplify the values. Z minus 2 cancel with z minus 2, z minus 3 cancel with z minus 3, and this z cancel with z. The answer is here is minus z over z plus 2. It is the answer of GL part of question 6 exercise 1. The next key part, in which a square minus 4b square, a square minus 4b square divided by a square plus 2ab over ab. So first we factorize the values. It is a square minus 2b whole square divided by take common a, and the remaining is a plus 2 over a. This is a minus a square minus b square. Answer is a plus b into a minus b. It is a square. Sorry, it is a plus 2b, a minus 2 divided by a common, a plus 2b over a. Now this is division converted into multiplication. We get a plus 2b, a minus 2b over 1. When nothing is in the denominator, then is 1 is also the denominator of the variable. Multiply by ab over a into 2, a plus 2. Simplify these values. A plus 2b, cancel with a plus 2b, a cancel with a. The remaining value is b into a minus 2 is the answer of 8th part of question 6 exercise 1, in which y square minus 4y plus 4, y square minus 4y plus 4 over 2 minus 6y multiply by 2y plus 4 over 3y square minus 12. So first we factorize the values. This value is y square minus 4y plus 4 is y square minus 2y, sorry, 2 into y into 2 plus 2 square over take common 2. The remaining is 1 minus 3 multiply by take 2 common y plus 2 over remaining in the denominator take common 3 and in the bracket y square minus 4. Now simplify it. It is value of y minus 2 whole square. It is 2 into 1 minus 3y multiply by 2 into y plus 2 and the remaining is 3 into it is y square minus 2 square. Now factorize the values. Here is y minus 2 whole square over 2 into 1 minus 3y multiply by 2 y plus 2 over 3. It is a square minus b square. The answer is a plus b into a minus b. Now we simplify all the values. 2 cancel with the 2, y plus 2 cancel with y minus the y plus 2, y minus 2 cancel with y minus 2. And the remaining values multiply. We get y minus 2 over 3 into y minus 3y. The question 7 is x square plus y square minus z square, x square plus y square minus z square plus 2xy over x square minus y square minus z square minus 2yz. Now we first arrange the values and then solve. Here is x square plus y square plus 2xy minus z square. And in the denominator x square take common minus. The value is y square plus z square plus 2yz. Now factorize the values. We get it is x plus y whole square minus z square. And in the denominator it is x square. And this value is y plus z whole square. Y plus z whole square. These two values are a square minus b square and also a square minus b square. And the answer is a plus b into a minus b, x plus y plus z, x plus y minus z. And in the denominator it is x plus y plus z and x minus y plus z. Now open the brackets. X plus y plus z, x plus y minus z over x plus y plus z, x minus y minus z. Simplify these two values. X plus y plus z cancel with x plus y plus z. And the remaining values are x plus y minus z over x minus y minus z.